we're going to do a cold start on the diesel-powered Hummer, and I do have confirmation this one was parked here last night, actually yesterday afternoon, so this has been nearly a full 24 hours since a true cold start. Here we go. All right, I'm going to come around the back. A little more noise up front actually than even out back. Now let's come around to the gauges. Yep, that is the parking brake. All right, that has been disengaged. And you can see things seem to be operational. Sorry for the lights here. Hope that helps, but that is our very cold start video of the diesel Humvee.